Who is sex and why did my uncle offend him?
Jesus. God damn. What he offend?
You know, this game is fucking intense, and that's just like camping with my uncle, fucking intense. Oh no.
Ah, it's not your turn. John though.
I'm gonna find out either way, lol.
I hope it's breaking glass again.
If it's
I'm
breaking
afraid of
glass,
these.
then I just want you to know that my eardrums will probably explode because this game is, I have set
Okay.
to so loud.
Okay. I'm near to the cool kid and he's now moving. Oh, we save the voice lines for the next one, alright? Don't have to use it right now. Okay?
I didn't hear mine, I didn't hear mine.
You misinput yours?
I'm not sure, I think I don't have one.
Let me see. Oh, he's not on me. Fuck it.
I shot him twice and I still don't hear it.
Oh, it's supposed to be that?
What is it?
It's a literal gunshot.
Oh, so that's why it's
It's the same
muffled.
thing.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Because
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm actually dead, I'm actually gone. I'm actually gone.
No, you're not. You're not. Now you are. Now you are. Octo on spit on that face. Did you know
I didn't
Dipper
actually.
from Gravity Falls say Octo?
Active. Okay, I got something,
What can I
I
do
got
that?
something.
As soon as I Octo, I fucking hear applause.
Hack to. Hack to.
Dude, Octo.
I think you are out of chicken.
No shit, bitch. At least I got Octo sound effect. Octo.
Hack
I
to.
swear, no one will be friends with us.
Like you're saying that like we can get new friends.
I'm gonna Octo your ass.
Hack to your ass. Hack to. You need to spin, you need
Hey,
to
it's your
spin.
turn. Oh yeah, you spin for me. And send me which one it was.
Yeah.
Jeez, there's so...
Okay, it's not gonna be hack to again, it's something below it.
Finally! Send me.
Done. Hack to.
I swear, if it's another glass breaking, I will...
70% of this video is just gonna be us saying hack to.
Racist bastard. That's not milestone 4. Please do not aim for me. Try to go for others. I need to hear mine.
How did I not hit? What?
That is not mine.
It's actually so long, it repeats itself.
I just told you at least give it at least 20 to 10 seconds.
Jesus Christ, I'm so bad!
You're getting distracted over there. What? Let me hit! No,
Like, it's actually repeating itself.
okay, well it ended.
Hack to.
Scheiße. It's so annoying, what did I just tell you? Oh my God. I'll pay your fine. Hawk to. No, you dick.
What the fuck did I hit?
Let me check what is mine.
Now pay your fine.
I wish you could change the scream of guest 1137. 1337, I went.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
I just got stopped by the lag.
Breaks the law and I'll pay your fine.
Who the fuck created this?
I'll pay your fine. Or it's all
What is yours?
Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna keep it for the killer because it's so unheardable. It's better to hear it as a killer. I'm gonna keep it.
What is
alright?
it?
I'm gonna tell you.
Stop right
I
there.
remember putting this.
Breaks the law on my watch. Stop right there, criminal. Now pay your fine. Stop right there, criminal.
Stop there. Oh, stop. Shut up. It's
Now
annoying.
pay your fine.
It's not even funny anymore.
Or it's off to jail. Stop right there, criminal scum.
Shut the fuck up.
Stop right there, criminal scum. Stop right there, criminal.
What is this man crafting?
What is he doing? Why me?
Oh, it's because I hit you twice up close. It repeated itself twice.
Now pay your fine.
Jesus Christ, this is so
No,
bad.
what did I just tell you?
Stop right there, criminal scum. Breaks the law on my watch. Confiscating the stolen goods. Now pay your fine.
Hack tuah. Excuse me?
How did you miss that? How did you miss that?
Shut the fuck up.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
Took you long.
I had to hear it a lot.
Confiscating your stolen goods. Stop right there, criminal scum. Stop right there, on my watch.
Stop fighting.
Stop right there. Now pay your fine. Breaks the law on pay your fine. Or it's off to jail. Now pay your fine.
What is this man crafting?
I'm not spitting for myself. You should hear what it's like.
8855. I think we didn't have this one yet.
I don't think so.
Wait, what is the one I gave you?
Please,
No, it isn't.
please remove the Skyrim thingy.
I don't know which one it is. I'm not removing it. It's peak.
Please, it's annoying. Got him. No, never mind.
You good, bro?
Nope.
You
I'm
lagged
having
so
autism.
bad.
Yes.
Hack tuah.
Oh my god, he's come.
He's come.
That was easy.
I.
You didn't even play.
Bro!
You're the one who added that, not me.
It was me. Wait, one thing I remember. It was the first thing I added. One of these is the Windows XP sound effect. No, are you good? Oops. Did he lag out? Hack tuah. God dang. As it appears, Noah is dead. And, damn. Hack tuah. And he's offline on Discord. Hack tuah.
That took long.
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay. I have multiple IDs now.
What the fuck happened?
Kerma. Internet died, apparently.
So I was correct.
Yes, I think. I heard you say, ain't no way this guy lagged.
GG's! GG's!
Our chat is gonna be full of IDs.
Come on, shoot your goo. I'm devouring Jeevan!
How you're still alive?
GG. Added a shitload of sound effects.
You should add this one too. And I didn't join. God damn it.
GG's! Super Groomer 3000.
Let's go.
It's just a fart sound effect. God damn! Hawking to us.
You didn't even play.
You know what? I